Naija if I don't bring no bonga Bishop news story. My name na Nehi. Make a sharply yarn on a son to say it just happened. After we the Ogbonge human activists will be barrister Deji Adeyoju come carry police and federal road safety court take go court to say because of the way we be say that they put fine and also they arrest people we be say they not get third party insurance as court to come out to come talk say like this say federal road safety court and also they call about police say they not get the right to put fine or arrest anybody we be say not get third party insurance and court to come out to come put this judgment on Friday. Will be April 23rd, 2026. Nine court come out to stop Ikolaba Police and Federal Road Safety Court say may they not put any fine or to arrest anybody. We say not get third-party motor vehicle insurance. The Nigerian opposition parties, them all of them don't come out to constant Girigba in one voice as they come they talk say they go put aside all their differences so to make sure say they go bring out one single candidate for presidential election to use and take challenge the ruling party will be All Progressive Congress APC for on top the 2027 general election. And all of them come out to come yarn this talk on Saturday will be April 25th, 2026 for inside Oyo State capital. And the political parties them include People Democratic Party, ADC, PRP, NNPP, NDC, LP, APP, Accord, APM, AA, DLA, YP, ADP, and also ZLP. All of them are to come out to come agree.
We shall work towards building one presidential candidate for the 2027 election. We shall be agreed and supported by all participating opposition parties to rescue our nation and our long-suffering masses.
The troop of the Sector 2 of Joint Task Force for Northeast Operation will be Harden Kai don't come out to counter say they don't neutralize 24 omila terrorists them and they very successful. Don't we say they coordinate themselves for the operation. We say they carry out for inside Kukereta for Borno State and they carry out this operation and the communities where they around them. The youth from the 9th local government area of the Southern Borno Senatorial District of Borno State on Saturday, April 25th, 2026, they can contribute 38.5 million naira so they go use and take support the Ogbonge Senator will be Ali Ndume Muhammadu and the fifth bid will be saying go use take go back Senate. Now they come and talk say now they go help them they go buy the senatorial ticket say because the way we saying they stand by the yarn in mind and also to talk truth for inside the Senate House. Now make all of them come out to talk say they go must support them. The traditional ruler of Owa Onire for inside Kwara State wey name be Oba Abdurrahman Fabiyi doko abandon in palace so as in con run comot con go another village go dey stay. According to wetin he talk after we 8 omila terrorists dey break enter inside in house come bust enter inside the palace on December 31st, 2025 come collect im phone come even threaten to fire am at gunpoint say na wetin make am dey run comot as im come dey yarn say like this say no dey ready to go back to im palace until when he make sure say the insecurity wey dey happen for inside Nigeria especially for im own palace go don stop. The Nigerian army don come out come yarn say like this say they don recover the dead body of the 2 military personnel wey be say they talk say na Omila, IPOB and ECN say na they buy them for inside 2022 during wey say that they travel they go Imo State for their traditional wedding. As they come out come talk say the name of the 2 military officers na Master Warrant Officer retired Linus Musa Audu and also Lance Corporal Gloria Matthew. Now 2 of them na in the catch the way say that they travel they go Imo State to go pay the bride price. And so they come buy 2 of them and this begin happen since 2022 and then they travel they go Obaha Usu area of Imo State. During where they do political rally for inside Kano State, and so they can see whether they share plenty red pint that they give people. They say they come out to come do this rally as they come to see the picture of the governor of Kano State will be Abba Kiba Yusufu for on top the pint as plenty women they come they carry the pint they display them and now today will be April 25th, 2026 on Saturday. Now plenty women and men all of them come out to come do this political rally. The Lagos State government don't come out to come here no. So after we say they see one video where some omila hoodlums them and Agberu, they will say that they fight themselves for along that Lekki area of Lagos State. As they come out come here, say the Lagos State government, they call about police command, they don't come put into action as they come arrest plenty of them. We be say that they cause kasala along that Chisco and Osakpa London bus stop area. Now in this biggie, take happen as they come out come show their pictures them. Say like this, say they don't arrest plenty of them. The chairman of NIDCON will be Nigeria in Diaspora Commission, wey name be Abike Dabiri don come out to come dey beg Nigerians wey be say they stay for inside South Africa, say make dem listen to the safety guideline wey be say the Nigeria Consulate General issue out for inside South Africa, say make all Nigerians them say make dem obey the guideline wey be say they give. And on Friday, wey be April 24 to 2026, na im dey come out come yarn this talk, say because of the way we say South Africa they fight against foreigners them for inside those areas. They say make Nigerians, they say make they listen to those guidelines. The human rights Ogbonge lawyer will be senior advocate of Nigeria, Femi Falana, don't come out to come they tell people that will say that they live for inside Lagos State. Say may they ignore the restriction of movement to will be say Lagos State government be put because of the monthly environmental sanitation exercise where they talk say they go on they do every last Saturday of the month. Say because you know they for any law say make Nigerians and make they not move around though. So that law, that restriction, is Lagos State government just put. Say na a law be that one. It come out come yarn this talk on Friday, will be April 24th, 2026. The Economic and Financial Crime Commission will be EFCC don't come the one content creators. They say make them stop so they use their name or logo or anything we say resemble their logo or their name. They use and they do skit for on top social media. Say make them stop and say without their approval. Say anybody will say they catch again, we say go try do that kind of thing. Say they go take action. Say now the last warning, we say that they give all the content creators, we say that they use their name and their logo. They do all those things. The United States Immigration Authorities don't arrest 53 years old Nigerian man wey him name be Olatunde Olasanjo on April 21st, 2023. Now they arrest him, say because they catch him because of plenty of the sexual molestation and also sex offenses and also some child molestation. We've seen don't commit for inside Los Angeles. Now they come out come talk say they don't arrest them. They come out come yarn this talk on Friday will be April 24th, 2026. Say like this, say they don't cash am. About 3 people them will be say they come out come talk say they wound your way on Saturday will be April 25th, 2026 because of a Ogbonge accident will be say it happened and one container truck will be say it missed control for inside that Omolete under bridge. Now this kasala take happen as 3 people that don't come wound your way say because the truck lose control, the brake not come work well. Now it cause this Ogbonge accident. The Kogi State High Court waiting for inside local jail don come out come pass judgment to as a contest Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan say make him pay 1 billion naira for damage to the former governor of Kogi State will be Yahaya Bello for defamation suit as the court to come out come pass this judgment on April 23rd, 2026. Nine court waiting for inside local jail for Kogi State. Nine come out come yarn this judgment.
Yes, now Bishop News Club. My name is Nanehi. Make una enjoy your day.